I started as a florist, and when I did my floristry, there were very few people who used to, like on shadis and events, who could do the table arrangements. There was only stage, that kind of events were being done. And I also started, I'm also a pioneer of wrapping gifts for people.
And now we're talking about chocolates. So
But I tell you something, I think about my story, about my life. I always was inspired with nature. I was always a nature lover. And when I was doing my floristry, I think many things which I create now in my chocolate even, I'm inspired with nature.
Madiha, how did you get involved into this business and when was it?
So right from the very beginning, actually, we've worked together. I had graduated college around the time that she had this idea कि यार मैं लोगों के लिए चॉकलेट्स पैक करती हूँ, वो दुबई ड्यूटी फ्री से इधर-उधर से डिफरेंट चॉकलेट्स लाते हैं, हम ट्रेज में सजाते हैं, गिव अवेज बनाते हैं, तो मुझे अपनी चॉकलेट, and she had this idea कि I want to do my own chocolate. The day we opened the first shop, and this uncle asks me, what's the difference between white chocolate and milk chocolate? And I was like, I don't know.
The color.
I didn't say that. Thank God I didn't say that.
I would have answered that.
I said, really good question, uncle. Let me get back to you on that. And then I was like, I need to go educate myself.
And you won an award. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How did you apply to that and what was the process? Was it like you going, and what is that award called? My apologies, I'm not very savvy
It's
with
the
this.
La Liste Award.
La Liste
It's a
Award.
French organization that awards pastry shops around the world that they find interesting.
And you know something, when this email came, we didn't apply for it.
Acha.
No, we didn't apply for it. I saw an email on my thing, and I told Madhya, she said...
She who reads no emails. Who reads no emails?
Well, she's been kind
ये
to
recipe
me.
कब बदली? I sent you an email about it. No, तुम्हें काय WhatsApp करो, email. She reads no emails. We are always fighting about the lack of having read emails. Like, I went through a period where I started feeling like a failure. Like, I was like, man, I went to all these incredible universities and all my friends are in corporate and they're doing, and they're like, oh, they did this for 2 years and they did that for 2 years. And, I'm just stuck in Karachi doing the same thing and I'm not even making any money. So it really became important to me that it become a financial success. But that said, me wanting that didn't make it happen. It happened with time. It happened with the right circumstances.
Patience.
And just staying at it and figuring it out.